Alright, so right now we are at Pongo Waterfall. So this is the last stop because we have left Dalat and we are now on the way to Bao Luc. Yep, so this one is on the way and Esther was like, we have to go. So, we're like, why not just go and see what's the hype all about. Yep, so we're going to show you later on when we go down all the way to the bottom. Okay, we are on it. So far so good. It is quite stable, luckily. Yeah, so we're going to go to the other side. Okay, on the right there is a handle, so it's not that bad. Okay, but the thing is, when you walk on it, it vibrates a bit, it shakes a bit. Okay, for those of you who have not been here before, guys, please come, right? Because this is beautiful and there's not a lot of tourists around, and you have the whole place to yourself, so you can easily spend I think half a day here looking at the waterfall. It is really, really beautiful. Yeah. So guys, after 2 hours ride, okay, from Dalat, we have reached Bao Luc. So we'll be staying here for one night before we head back to Ho Chi Minh. Yeah, because we do not want to squeeze the whole trip into one day. Yeah, at this I would say maybe a 2-star, 3-star hotel. Yeah, and the first thing that hit us was when we reached here with the luggage, right? The lady was telling us the elevator was broken. I was like, yeah, let's see how's the room. This is the only room left. It's the, I think the triple room, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, the single, the standard and the deluxe is not available. Yeah, so I would say it's quite decent. Yeah, it's for us to sleep for the night. Yeah, it has almost everything that we need. AC as well, so I would say it's quite decent, and it has a fridge as well. And that's the bathroom. Alright, so we paid about 29 Singapore dollars, which is about 20 US dollars, yeah, for a night here, and it includes the breakfast tomorrow as well. So right now we're going to bathe and rest and maybe visit a laundromat, okay, because we need to wash some clothes. We are running out of clothes again. Yep, so right now we're going to have a bath. This is a very nice shop. Okay, the lady in there is very nice. Okay, and willing to translate. And you know, we are getting our clothes tomorrow morning. So good morning everyone. Today we are at Bao Luc and we are leaving Bao Luc to Ho Chi Minh soon. So right now we're going to show you what's in it for breakfast and what's the expect. Alright, so we are done with our breakfast.
Not exactly done. I'm only 20% full.
She eats a lot. Right now we're going to Co-op, okay, which is a supermarket just beside our hotel. Yeah, to get some water and some food. Yeah, because someone is still hungry.
Yeah.
Later on we'll be collecting our clean clothes. Yeah, before we make our way back to Ho Chi Minh to meet two of our friends who have come to Ho Chi Minh.
Yeah, they were very spontaneous. Yeah, we were just like openly jio whoever that jio. By the way, jio means invite, like us along. Yeah, we just openly jio 2 days before our trip because we booked on Monday and we travel on Wednesday. So we openly jio and they actually said yes, and then they told us that they will be coming the week after, which is good because we just came back from our road trip from Dalat. Yeah.
Alright, so right now we are ready to leave Bao Luc. It will be a 4 hours ride. Yeah, so the bike is ready. All the luggages are ready. Esther is getting ready. Let's hope this trip is smooth and nice. We'll show you some of the scenery when we ride along before we reach Ho Chi Minh. Yeah, so let's go for a long motorbike ride. Alright, so right now we are taking a short break in the middle of nowhere. I'm not sure where this is, okay, but this is between Bao Luc and Ho Chi Minh. So we stop at a petrol station to top it up and do a bit of stretching. I have not been riding for a few years now, so getting back on the road on a bike, okay, is something not that comfortable for me, okay, but it's not that bad. Yeah, but the thing is, over here the road conditions and the small CC bike, yeah, so it doesn't have a lot of power. So you have to keep the speed up, and try not to brake too much. Yeah, I mean, if you guys know what I mean. Yeah, and overall I would say the ride is pretty rough, okay, but manageable. Will I do it again? Of course I will, but I will rent a bigger and more powerful bike and more comfortable bike maybe. Yeah, so right now we're taking a short break and we'll be continuing our journey in a few minutes time.